What if your home could travel anywhere, from mountain peaks to ocean fronts, without giving up bedrooms or comfort? These aren't ordinary RVs, they're XXL 3-room campers, rolling mansions that give you a private master suite, a full living area, and an extra room for kids, guests, or even an office. Today, we're looking at the ultimate giants of the road, the top 3 XXL 3-room campers that redefine what it means to live and travel in style. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you're going to be dreaming of hitting the road in one of these. Let's start with the most budget-friendly XXL 3-room camper on our list. Proof that comfort and privacy don't always have to come with $1 million price tag. At just over $104,700, the Kiva Iveco Daily 3-room motorhome is the most affordable on our list, but don't let the price fool you. This camper packs serious value into a clever, compact design that makes it feel far larger than it looks from the outside. Step through the door, and the first thing you notice is how thoughtfully the space is laid out. The master bedroom is tucked away at the rear, giving you a true sense of privacy. It feels cozy, comfortable, and surprisingly spacious for its class, with enough storage for clothes and essentials. In the middle, the living and dining area doubles as the heart of the home. With slide-outs extended, the lounge opens wide, transforming a modest room into a bright, inviting space where families can eat, relax, or entertain guests. The third room is where this Kiva really sets itself apart. It's versatile enough to become a second bedroom for kids, a private workspace for remote jobs, or even a reading nook for quiet evenings. That level of adaptability makes it stand out from many entry-level RVs that often cram everyone into one open area. With a modern bathroom, compact yet efficient kitchen, and amenities like heating, AC, and media hookups, this camper delivers everything you'd expect in a small apartment, except you can take it anywhere. For new families or travelers on a budget, the Kiva Iveco Daily proves that 3-room living on the road doesn't have to cost a fortune. Next is the Kiva Mobil Iveco Daily XXL, priced around $170,000, and this is where we see the leap from practical to premium. Compared to its smaller sibling, the XXL doesn't just stretch in size, rather it grows in luxury. On the outside, the XXL looks commanding, with taller lines and deeper slide-outs that hint at the space waiting inside. Once you step in, it feels like crossing into a designer apartment on wheels. The master suite is larger, with upscale lighting, plush bedding, and high-gloss cabinetry that makes it feel genuinely luxurious. Unlike the first model, you don't just get storage, but you also get wardrobes that feel fit for long-term living. The living and kitchen space is wide and open, thanks to those massive slide-outs. You'll find a large sofa that feels built for lounging, a dining setup that works for family meals or remote work, and a kitchen with modern appliances and enough counter space to actually cook without juggling pans. However, the real selling point is the third room. Unlike the smaller Kiva, here it feels like a true second bedroom. Kids can have their own dedicated space, or you can set it up as a private office if you're working remotely on the road. Families who want to live full-time in their RV often find this room invaluable because it separates personal space in a way most RVs simply don't allow. Add extras like heated floors, smart lighting, and premium finishes, and it's clear why the XXL is nearly $70,000 more than its sibling. It's designed for people who want the practicality of a camper, but the luxury of a permanent home, and it succeeds beautifully. Moving into the American arena, the River Berkshire XLT 45CA, which comes in at over $400,000. This Class A motorhome is a beast of a machine, built for long-haul road trips across the country while keeping the whole family comfortable. At nearly 45 feet long, the Berkshire feels like a home the moment you walk in. The master bedroom in the rear is generously sized, with a king bed, wardrobe, and private TV setup. It feels more like a proper bedroom than just a bed squeezed into a corner. The central living room and kitchen area are wide open, designed to accommodate multiple people without feeling cramped. With a residential fridge, spacious dining booth, and a lounge big enough for family movie nights, it rivals many suburban homes. The third room here often comes as a bunk suite or guest room. This is where families really see the value as people get their own space. Grandparents can stay over, or the room can double as storage and workspace. Combined with multiple bathrooms, washer and dryer units, and even the option for an electric fireplace, traveling in this RV doesn't feel like camping. It feels like bringing your entire house on the road. Families who want a balance of space, durability, and home-like amenities will find the Berkshire to be an unbeatable choice at its price point. If you want premium living while driving priced around $750,000, is the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45D for you. If the Berkshire feels like a suburban home, the Cornerstone feels like a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. Built on a Spartan chassis and powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins engine, it's both powerful and opulent. Inside, the craftsmanship is immediately noticeable. The master suite is a retreat in itself, with premium bedding, polished tile floors, and mood lighting that creates a 5-star atmosphere. The central living and kitchen space is enormous, with a full residential kitchen, high-end appliances, and elegant seating areas that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury condo. The third room in the Cornerstone is customizable, and many owners tailor it to their needs. It can serve as a full guest bedroom, a professional office for digital nomads, or a second lounge. With heated floors, smart home features, and impeccable finishes, this space is as functional as it is stylish. What sets the Cornerstone apart is how seamlessly it blends driving and living. Behind the wheel, advanced suspension and assistive tech make it easier to handle than you'd expect for its size. Once parked, the interior feels like it was designed to impress. If you want a motorhome that travels like a powerhouse but lives like a palace, the Cornerstone is unmatched in its class. Finally, at the very top of the list, we have the Vario Mobil Perfect Platinum 1200, with prices soaring well past $1 million. This isn't just a motorhome, but it's the definition of a rolling mansion. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this motorhome stretches nearly 40 feet and offers a level of customization few others can match. The master suite is breathtaking, featuring hotel-style bedding, full wardrobes, and even the option of a walk-in closet. The central living area feels like a designer loft with panoramic windows, luxurious sofas, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. The third room is what truly elevates the Perfect Platinum. Owners can configure it however they want, from a guest suite to a personal cinema, from an office to a gym. It's not just an add-on, it's a full-fledged room that rivals anything in a stationary home. And then there's the garage. Yes, the Perfect Platinum has a built-in garage that can carry a car, often a compact SUV or even a Porsche. Imagine arriving at a campsite, unloading your sports car, and heading into town while your $1 million motorhome waits. That's the lifestyle the Vario Mobil delivers. Every element inside is handcrafted. Real wood cabinetry, bespoke upholstery, and smart systems that control lighting, climate, and security with the touch of a button. For those who can afford it, this isn't just a camper. It's the pinnacle of freedom and luxury on the road. From the $104,700 Kiva Iveco Daily to the $1 million Vario Mobil, these XXL 3-room campers prove that adventure and luxury can coexist. Whether you want a practical starter, a family-friendly giant, or the ultimate rolling mansion, there's a rig here to match your dream. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more. Why stay in a house that never moves when you could live in one that goes anywhere?